Can you hear the sound, children?
No, ma'am.
No, va?
No. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Goodbye, sir. No, ma'am.
Are you able to hear the sound?
No, ma'am.
Amazing! As the winners, you now get to choose your prize. Show us what you've got, Em!
Mashed potatoes?
What a dish! But we don't want any mash.
More for me!
Show us what you've got, see? Cash. A lovely case with some paper in it. That's a shame. We don't need any paper. Show us what you've got, S. Sash.
Go on! Go on! Go on!
Any old thing? That's more like it.
It was not audible, right?
I'm super, ma'am.
Very nice,
Good
but
morning, Vanilla, ma'am. Good morning,
audible.
Abud, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow I'll check and play for you again, okay? Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Okay, now come on, all of you go grab a chair and come. We'll play musical chair along with your parents. Okay, come on, bring a chair, bring your parents also. Get ready. Musical chair.
Good morning, Vellana.
Good morning, Ma Dhanvin. Come on, all of you get a chair. Bring your mama or papa, whoever it is.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma Kartikeyan. Ready? Ready? Stand. Kartikeyan, bring your mama. Janavi. Darshika. Good. Baka. Okay, ready? Shall we start? Come on, start.
What's going on?
Wait a minute, children. Who's that? Oh my God, pushing each other and sitting. Kavyani, Darshika, and who's that? Okay, Shani. Take. Good. Okay. Come on, get up, get up, get up. Janavi, whom are you playing, Janavi? Sit. Rohitam's mom, you sat, huh? Very bad. Okay, come on, stand up.
Break it.
This time, come on, sit. Sit, everyone. All the time, Kavyani, you are winning the game. Rohita, one. Janavi sat. Okay,
Yes,
very good. Okay, now. One more time. Run, Freddy. Don't stop, run. Stop. Who is going to sit? Very good, children. Well done. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Well done. Thank you so much. Okay.
One more time, ma'am.
What, ma?
One more time, ma'am.
One more time, ma. Okay, one more time for Zeddy. Okay. Who's going to say it? Well done. Very good, children. Well done. Okay. Today's kids anthem is by whom shall I ask? Kailash? Janavi. By Janavi. Okay. Come on, Janavi. Join your hands and close your eyes.
My button is flat.
Janavi, wait. Let everyone join their hands and close their eyes. Wait. Ready? Start. Kids anthem.
Kidzi anthem. You're in line. You're me. My button inside. You're a witch. Women rights fly. You define me. My button inside. Today I just. It's all my I shall achieve my potential.
Yes, very good. Open up your eyes. Yeah, good morning. Very good morning to everyone. Yeah, I love you, my children. Come on, roly poly rhyme. Ready for the roly poly. Night take instead of you, your brother is attending class. Huh? Come on, roly poly rhymes. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, front, front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, open, open, open. Roly poly, close, close, close. Roly poly, slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly. Fast, 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 fast. Now head, shoulders. All of you stand up. Stand up. Head. Now slowly mom is going to sing. Okay? Slow and fast. Okay? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Now it's going to be fast. Okay? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Once again, it's going to be slow. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Now again it's going to be ready? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Very good, very good, very good. Next is, today we are going to sing the phonic rhyme. Each one of you are going to sing the phonic rhyme. First alphabet is A. Who is going to sing the phonic rhyme for A? Janvi will sing the difficult rhyme only, not the easy. Kavyani sing the A rhyme.
Enter the man. Enter the man. Bingo the man and the bingo
Mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself one by one. I'm going to call you and then you're going to sing. Now Kavyani is going to sing for the alphabet A. Alarm. Forgot. Why, Kavyani? Forgot the song. Okay. B is by Nightic. B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball.
To the park to play. Okay. C is by
JD.
C. C who is going to sing Z, yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
C.
Yours,
We
ma'am.
are Christian Catholic.
Do the action, everyone. Everyone do the action.
Action, action. ठीक से.
We are Christian Catholic.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Next is D by Nukshita. D. See me. D. See me play. Children, you all forgot. Okay, today ma'am is going to sing. Tomorrow, each one of you are going to sing for each alphabet. Okay? See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play up on my drum. Next is E. What is the song for E? F. F. Then I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Okay, next is G. Water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle. Next is H. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Ha, 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 ha. I want you to do the action, children. Kavyani, do the action. Next is I. Inky the mouse is my pet. Still the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Okay. Next is I. Over. What is the next alphabet? What will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Next is after J. What is after J? K. In the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. After K. After K. L. L. You all like to write. What is the lollipop. I lick my lollipop. Next is after L, what you will get? After L, Mom and the dad make many meals for their children. You have to rub your stomach, okay? After M. After M. Okay, what is the song for N? Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Okay, after N. What is after N? Oh, very good. It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, next is after O. After O. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff for the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Next is after P. What is after P? Don't have anyone else with you? My dog is with the rag. See, my dog is with the rag when he pulls so hard. Okay, after R, what is after R? After R. S. In the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Next one, after S. What will you get after S? P. When I was 10 game. When I watched the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. After D. After D. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Okay. After U, what will you get? U. That went round the village. Drive Briggs went round the village. Drive Briggs went round the village. Ooh. Okay. After V, what will you get? Whoa, 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 I see the clouds moving. Whoa, 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 I see the trees bending. Whoa, 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 the wind is going strong. Okay, next is after W. Yes. Take an X-ray, take an X-ray, take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. Okay, after X, what will you get? X. Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah. After Y. After Y. Yes, very good. Have you ever heard a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Have you ever heard a bee buzz buzzing like this? Okay, very good. Children. So totally, how many alphabets are there? How many alphabets are there? Anyone? Raise your hand, I'll ask you. Who knows the answer? Raise your hand. How many alphabets are there? Yes, sir. Mute yourself, children. How many alphabets are there? 26. Okay, out of 26, how many vowels are there?
5
Out of 26 are there, 5 vowels are there. And the rest 21 letters are, what are those 21 letters? Consonant 5 are vowels and the rest of the 21 letters are consonants. Okay, so today we are going to see some CVC words. C means consonant, V means vowel, and again C means consonant. Okay, so that is called as CVC words. Okay, are you all ready? Come on, take your English notebook, children. Write today's date. Take your English notebook, everyone. Write today's date. Today's date is 1/7/17-3-2121.
Dhanmit has gone to the restroom, ma'am.
Okay, no issues. And the heading is CVC words. We already learned all those 3-letter words. No, it all comes under CVC words only, children. Okay, and the heading you have to write on top of the notebook is CVC words. C means consonant, vowel, consonant. C for consonant, V for vowel, and again C for consonant. That is called CVC word. So the vowels will come in between. Okay, starting letter will be a consonant and the ending letter will be a consonant, and the letter that comes in the middle will be a vowel. Okay, CVC words. First CVC word. I want you to underline the vowel. I want you to underline the vowel, children. After writing this, what is this? What word is this?
Bat.
Huh?
Bat.
Bat. Bat, bat. Now underline the vowel. Which is the vowel here?
Call the vowel. What is the vowel?
A.
Very good. A is the vowel. I want you to underline A. And the second word is what is it?
Pen.
Very good. Pa and pen. Now here, which is the vowel here?
Vowel. What is the vowel?
After writing the word, I want you to underline E. What is the third word, children?
Bin.
Bin. Ba in bin. Very good.
I.
Which is the vowel here? I. Zeddy, why don't you answer, Zeddy? Number 4. What is it? Hot, hot. What is the vowel here?
Oh.
Oh, very good. What is the fifth word?
Sun. Sun.
Yeah, sun. Very good. What is the vowel here? You. Very good. Vidyut, I want you to read all the 5 words, Vidyut. Vidyut,
Hitman.
read all the 5 words.
Bat.
Very good.
And pen.
Very good. Don't
Bin.
Vidyut, mom.
Hot.
Hmm.
It's upset.
Very good. Vidyut, mom, are you teaching him?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? He has to blend it, no? He should blend it. We should know the phonics on what is AT, what is EN, single word. He has to blend it, no?
He's not doing it, ma'am. So I'm helping him.
No helping. Whenever he is free, you have to teach him how to blend sounds first. Two letters. EN means A, E means A, N means N. Together it becomes N. I means E, N means N. Together it becomes in. Like that, when you teach him only, when he goes to senior KG, he will try to blend sounds, no?
I'll do it, ma'am. I'm trying, ma'am, but he's very playful. He's not.
He's very playful.
He's not trying on his own, ma'am. Every time he's.
Why, ma, Vidya?
He
You're
only
not trying
expects
on
me
your
to
own.
say.
Come to school then. Bring him to school.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Vidya? Lakshana, come on, read the
Okay.
Fine. Next, Lakshana, come on. Read the words.
சொல்லு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லு இது சொல்லு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ் என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லு மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லு
BAT is one, na? What is BAT? AT, what is AT? Lakshana, you should practice at home, Lakshana. Blending words is very important. Practice at home reading all these 3-letter words. Okay, Kavyani, come on, read all the 5 words.
5 words.
Word bat. In pin.
In pinna.
In my.
In pen.
In
In bin.
Kavyani is there. Let her do it.
Okay. Now, next word.
First, sort out what is IN.
What is IN?
In.
Then.
Loudly, Katiman. Next. Next, ba.
What is OT?
OT hot. Hot.
Try, ma. Like that you have to try. Come on. Next, what is UN?
Sun. UN. Sun.
Sun. Try like that. Okay, Zadi. Read the 5 words, Zadi.
Jadi read. Phonic sound.
B.
Huh?
Come on, Zadi. What is AT? What is AT? At. At.
Cat.
At.
Pet.
At. And then what is EN? What is EN?
N.
Then what is the sound of P? N. Pen. And then what is IN? In. B. Sound of B is B. In. What is in, ma? Bin. Okay, very good. OT. What is OT? Ought. What is ought? O. Sound of O is O. Sound of T is T. Ought. 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 Sun, I know you know that spelling. Her art, what is her art?
Hot.
Hot.
Hot. Yeah, like this you have to blend it, children. Okay, very good. Thank you, ma.
Anchan.
Take your worksheets, children. Worksheet number is 157 CT. 157 CT. Here you are going to circle all the ice games. Yesterday itself I taught you what are all the ice games. Skiing, next is skating, and next is ice hockey.
Ice hockey.
Yeah,
Page
3 games I
number
told you, right? Ice games. So here in this worksheet you have 3 ice games. Find it out and circle. Before that,
Page
write today's
number
date. What ma? Page number 157 CT.
Okay, ma'am.
See today's date and circle the ice games alone. Games which are played on ice. Only that games. See whether you can see skiing, skating, ice hockey. Only these 3 games you are going to circle. Finish?
Pink one.
Very good. Next is worksheet number 157 empty. This balloon. This worksheet you are going to find out the smaller number in each balloon. Each balloon there are a set of numbers. From that set you are going to find out which is the smaller number. I'll give you time. Do it on your own. I kindly request everyone not to get help from your parents, and I also request parents not to teach your child. Leave them. Let them do mistakes and let them learn. If they have doubt, let them ask me. Please, I kindly request you, don't teach your children. Let them do it. And at last, I want the answers. I'll ask everyone. I'm not going to do it. Today, you yourself are going to do it. If you want to get help, you can use this plain page over here. You can take it out and write the sum here and you can work it out. Mainly Lakshana. Lakshana's mom, don't help her. Vidyut, Lakshana, study. Please don't help them. Let them do it. If they are wrong also, I will correct them. தயவு செஞ்சு சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Smaller number children. Take out the first sum. For example, if you are taking the green color balloon, take these 2 numbers, write it in the plain page here, this side. Take the number from here and write it here, and then sort it out. Look at the first number, whether it is same or different. If it is different, find out from the first number itself. If it is same, move on to the second number. These are the steps that you have to follow. Darshika, already you were absent for so many days. Now you are hesitating to do your worksheet too. Don't want to learn. Come on, do your worksheet. Write today's date and do it, children. Find it out on your own, children. Write all the 5 sums in the plain page over here and then first find it out. And then circle inside the balloon. Kavyani, stop talking and find out. No talking. When you talk, you will get distracted, children. I can tell you in Tamil also, the balloon la irukka sums eduthu in the plain page la eludunga. Write it in the plain page. And then find out which is the smaller number. நீங்களே தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். You should find out. I'm watching everyone. So please don't get help from your parents.
Ma'am, Rohita finished, ma'am, but she
Very good,
won, ma'am.
Rohita. Keep it with you, Rohita.
I will finish.
Finish.
Very good, Rohita. I'll ask you for the answer.
She
JD
won.
When
also.
I tell you the
Done the
answer,
shot,
see
ma'am.
whether it is right or wrong. Okay? Good girl, Rohita.
తను చార్ట్ చూసి కౌంట్ చేసి
Finish,
No
please.
chat, no phone, nothing. You have to work out in the page and number. You can't go for chat everywhere, Rohita. You have to sit and find out in your place only. Don't run for chat and all, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If you go to school, you will search for chat.
చెప్పు తల్లి.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, mama. Finished, everyone? Those are finished. Thumbs up.
JD.
Very good. Very finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Cheese, you have to decide on your own.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good girls, Eddie. Did you finish? Very good. And now you yourself are going to correct the children. Take the pencil in your hand, put a tick mark, and I tell you the correct answer. Green color balloon you have. Green color balloon, the smaller number is 26. 26. Very good. Put a tick mark if you have done it correctly. Put a tick mark. Now you are the teacher. You are going to correct your own worksheet. Put a tick mark. And the second balloon is yellow or orange. We take it as yellow. 52 and 33. Okay. 33 is the smaller number. If you have done it correctly, put a tick mark. And the third balloon is orange color balloon. Here it is very simple, children. The number is 9 and 19. Single number and a double digit number. It is very obvious that the double digit number is the greater number. 9 is the smaller number. Okay, next. Red color balloon, 38 and number 40. This is a smaller number, 38, 38.
38.
Very good. Next is the purple color balloon, 32 and 23. Which is a smaller number? 23. Very good. All of you have done it correctly.
23.
All of you have done it correctly, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. Very proud of you, children. Okay, next worksheet.
Ma'am, ask me finish, ma'am.
I know you will finish, Ashley. I have no doubt in that.
Correct,
Okay,
ma'am.
next worksheet is 160 MT. 160 MT. We have the number name worksheet. From number name
Yes,
16 to
ma'am.
20. What, ma Janavi? Janavi, did you finish all the sums correctly? Janavi,
Ma'am.
you finished all the sum correctly, yeah?
Yes.
Ma'am, still she was finding that balloon worksheet, ma'am.
Sorry?
Still she was doing that balloon worksheet, ma'am.
I don't hear what you're saying. Okay, whatever it is. Sorry, I'm not able to hear. 160 empty worksheet. From 15 to 20. 160 empty. Took the worksheet, write today's date. Sarnika. Zeddy, do your worksheet, Zeddy. Tarnika, are you there, Tarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Tarnika,
Ma'am को पर over है. I scolded her.
why are you scolding her? Huh? All scolding these children during my session only. I don't know why. Whatever they do, you can handle them afterwards. No, please don't do it during the session. I know it's very difficult, but please, parent, have some patience. Don't scold them during the session. Okay, Tarnika, don't cry. I'll ask your mama. Don't cry. Okay? First time I'm seeing her crying. Don't cry. Right. Good girl. Right.
Don't write Karthika.
Teacher. Not very concerned about Tarnika, va? Siddharth. Nowadays you are imitating me too much, Siddharth. This is not good at all, okay? Huh?
Okay. நான் கொள்ளுவேன்.
Imitating me. Already you are imitating me. And now you have come in that line, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very bad. Come on, write fast. Zeddy. Spell and write, Zeddy. Spell and write. Must sit properly and write. How are you writing, Zeddy? Is this the way you sit and write? Sit properly. Fold your legs and sit. Turn and write. Sit straight to the book and write. Now you write.
Spelling it. Yes. Spelling it. Yes.
Savyani, without your pencil, you are writing, huh?
No, she's counting.
Counting, huh? Count. So I forgot to take the attendance, children. Sorry. Darshika.
Yes,
Hey,
ma'am.
okay. Dev Krish. Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan.
Ma'am, next page number என்ன ma'am?
160 empty.
160.
Farnaz. Absent. Hashini.
Here I am, ma'am.
Janavi.
11, 12, 13, 14,
Here I am.
17,
Kiran.
17,
Here I am, ma'am. Here I am.
Rajini.
Yes, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Yeah, noted, ma. Nighting. Nushita. Pranita.
Ma'am.
Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, Ritvik? How is your health? How is your health, Ritvik? Fine, huh? Okay, good. Next is Mithila. Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. For this one.
Tarnika. Tarnika.
Here I am, ma'am.
Vishank. Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut.
Ma'am.
Ready. Lakshana.
Here I am. Yes, ma'am. நீங்க பேசு.
Finish that.
லக்ஷனா ma'am.
Lakshana, I called Lakshana. Note பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Ma'am, அழுதுட்டே இருக்காங்க மேம். ரைட்டிங்கே பண்ண மாட்டறாங்க லக்ஷனா.
Why ma, Lakshana? You used to write very fast, no? சீக்கிரமா எழுதுறீங்க. What happened, ma? Lakshana, look at ma'am.
இப்பலாம் ரைட்டிங் பண்றதுக்கே அழுவுறாங்க மேம். ரைட்டிங்கே பண்ண மாட்டறாங்க.
நீங்க சும்மா போய் சொல்லாதீங்க. லக்ஷனா குட் கேர்ள், நல்லா எழுதுவா லக்ஷனா.
இந்த பாருல நீ குட் கேர்ளா.
Come on, write Lakshana. என்ன போய் சொல்றது எப்ப பார்த்தாலும். Right. Good girl, you right. I know about my children. Whoever complains them, I will not believe it. Okay? Netic finish. Very good, Sarita. Yeah, very good. Kartikeyan, Nikhila, all of you finished, sir?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, now come on, next worksheet. When everyone finish, we'll do the next worksheet. Finish, Ready, you too. Okay. Culmination worksheet, you will have this worksheet. Planets worksheet. I'm going to finish the book, children. Only 2-3 pages left. Planets worksheet. You are going to write the missing letters, okay? First is Neptune. Write today's date and get ready, children. Culmination worksheet. CT worksheet. Planets. Write the missing letters to complete the names of the planets. First is Neptune. N dash E T dash dash E. It is given like this, right? And the answer is Neptune. Neptune. Copy it down, children. And the second one is Uranus. U dash A dash dash S. Uranus. Uranus. Look at the screen and write, children. Uranus. You have to follow me, children. Once you finish these two, wait for me. Siddharth, wait for me. Finished, children? Third one, Saturn. S dash T dash R N. Sorry, dash. And the answer is SAUN. Saturn. The fourth one is Jupiter. J dash dash IT dash RN. Sorry, N is not given. Dash. Jupiter. Finished till Jupiter? Yes. Next is Mars. M A dash S. MARS. Mars. E dash dash TH. EARTH. And the next one is V. What is the name of the planet that starts with V, children?
Venus.
Very good. Venus. VENUS. N-U-S, Venus. And what is the planet that starts with M? We have two planets. Already we have finished one planet name. Mercury. Very good. Very good. Mercury. Mercury. Over. Very good, children. Try to read these two questions. First one.
அங்க பாரு.
Vivan, read the question, ma. Vivan. First one.
So you go. Read more. There.
Yeah.
E. R.
Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita.
Wait பண்ணி.
You can answer. Pranita, mute yourself. Read loudly, ma. Vivan.
Louder. Okay.
Come on.
Are you?
How are you? What will you say?
How are you?
What will you say? What is the answer for how are you?
How do you feel? How are you?
If I'm asking you, how are you, Vivan? What will you say? Look at me and answer. Not this. Okay, next. Ashini, come on, read.
ரீட் பண்ணுமியா?
What is your name?
What is your name? Assuming my question, Come on, read properly. What is W-H-E-R-E?
Where?
Where?
ఏమొస్తుంది?
Where are you?
Where are you
Going.
you? We go going. Where are you going? Very good. Very good.
Going.
Nukshita. What is this, Nukshita?
Tell me. What is this?
W.
W.
H.
Yes.
I. C. H.
What is that?
What is
It.
it?
Which?
Which?
What? W-H is what? E. Ch. Which? What is it?
Which? I. Yes. Is.
What is it? What is Y-O-U?
Look at the screen.
You are not answering. Next time I am not going to ask you, children. Those who are not responding, next time you will never get the chance to answer. What is Y-O-U? What is Y-O-U first?
First, Y-O-U. What is this? Tell me. Y-O-U. What is this?
YOU is you. You plus this R. Your. Which is your. What is TOY?
Toy.
Toy.
Toy. Toy. Which is your toy? Okay? Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Tarnika.
என்னது
When?
Then very good. Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
When?
Venna.
What? At the what?
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 Okay.
What?
What is it, Nighty?
வாட்
Then next one. Who? Very good. What is this, Pranita?
என்ன கேக்குறாங்க சொல்லு
HOW.
சொல்லு
Mm.
என்ன
How? HOW. How? How? Okay. Then when?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Where? Very good. Ashini.
கேக்குறாங்க
Ashini.
கூப்பிடுறாங்க
What is this?
Which?
Which? Very good. Nitila. Nitila. What is this, Nitila? What is it? What? Very good, ma. Thank you, children. Revise all these question words, children. It will be easy for you to learn during the assessment and do your answers correctly. Okay? So, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone.
Bye. 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 Bye.